Keyboarding, Lesson 27, Word Drills. So again, always make your document active by either just clicking in it or Control F9. You're going to type every line you see in the gray box and press Enter after each one. Do not type Enter at the end of the line. Go ahead and check your work. Continue. And I will apply the special features to each of them. So when it's a word, you can just hover over and double click and it selects it. And we'll use bold. And the next one we will double click and italic. Double click underline and select underline. And this one we need to select, so we're going to just hover and drag and we'll select the yellow highlighting marker. We'll select font color. Now if you choose this, you're going to get red. That's the default setting. If you click the down arrow, you can choose from standard colors, blue. Font, we are going to change the type to Cambria. And then we're going to change the font size to 14, so you can use your down arrow, select 14. And then there also is an increase font size and decrease font size on the mini toolbar. So you'll just, it's just going to increase it from 11 to 12, so increase font size, and then the opposite decrease, select it first, it'll go from 11 to 10. In here again, make your window active, click in it, keyboarding, class, enter, 27-drill2 and press enter and check your work and continue. Then you'll click underneath and you'll type these 3 lines. Press enter when you see a paragraph symbol, enter again, and then when you get to the below period, stop, do not press enter. Check your work and continue. So we're going to select the name of this file, 27-drill2, and from the mini toolbar we will select the font and we want Calibri Light. In this one we're using probably all the toolbars, mini toolbar, so we'll select again the same line, and the mini toolbar we'll change it to size 14. And then we'll select keyboarding class, use the mini toolbar to increase the font size to 12. And again to the keyboarding class, I just selected again so we get the mini toolbar, and we're going to change the color to blue from the standard colors. Select in the third line just the words new document, and from your mini toolbar you will choose the highlighting bright green. In the next line, select just single underline, and from the middle toolbar, mini toolbar, select underline. Select the entire second sentence and we'll decrease the font size. Select just standard operating procedures, and from the mini toolbar, choose italic. Again, select standard operating procedures, and from the mini toolbar, select bold, and you're done. Thank you.